Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Standard 6th Mathematics Exercise 14C Practical Geometry Perpendicular Bisector. First of all, in this exercise, in a plane, the perpendicular bisector of a line segment is the line that is a perpendicular to the segment at its midpoint. Okay, so line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Like this perpendicular bisector, how we can draw, I'll teach you in this video. So first question is exercise 14C. First question: draw a segment of length given, construct its perpendicular bisector. Means this length is given 6 centimeter, so we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. First I will draw 6 centimeter a line segment. So you can see I place this scale like this, then 2 points, 6 centimeter I have to draw. So second point here at 6 centimeter, first point at this centimeter line, this, and then second point is at 6. Now we will join this, so it will be 6 centimeter a line segment, you can see. Okay, now I will draw this with pen, then it will be better for you for understanding. Now I can give this line any name we can give. This 6 centimeter line segment I have drawn, so I can give the name A and B. Now I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So first of all we have to take this compass and pencil like this way, and then we will open this more than half of radius. This is your half, more than half means like this as a convenient radius, like more than half you can take like this way. Okay, now A as a center, you have to put your compass as A as a center, this, and then draw one arc like this way, upside and downside. Okay, then same radius, don't change, this B as a center intersect this previous arc. Okay, now here you will get two intersecting point, this one and this one. Now what you can do, you can join this intersecting point like this way. When you will join, so this line is called as a perpendicular bisector of line AB, line segment AB. This is the XY, we can give the name of this line. This is called as a perpendicular bisector of AB, and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so this is your perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. We have taken line segment AB 6 centimeter. Okay, now we have to draw second B, which is second we have to draw B 8.7 centimeter perpendicular bisector. So first I will put like the scale, and I will put from here 8.7, after 8 7 lines. Okay, 5 6 7. Okay, so after 8 7 line. Now join this both the points. So this is your line segment, 8.7 centimeter I have taken. You can give the name A and B, any name we can give. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment 8.7. Same method, we have to open a compass more than half of AB. Okay, so like this, more than half. Now A as a center, I'll put my compass and draw one arc like this way, same radius, don't change, draw another arc, now same radius. Now B as a center, draw, intersect this previous arc. Now we will get here two intersecting point. Okay, now you can join this line. So you will get here this point. We can give the name X and Y. So this is the perpendicular bisector of 8.7 centimeter. It will divide into two parts like this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of 8.7. Now the next one is, now see the, see 98 mm. I have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So first of all, I can convert this mm into centimeter. Okay, like first I can do 1 mm is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. We know the conversion. So 98 mm means this 98 we can divide by 10. So it will convert into centimeter. Now in denominator 10. So in numerator before one digit I can put the decimal point. So it will become 9.8 centimeter. Now this 9.8 centimeter we have to draw the line segment for perpendicular bisector. So first of all I'll draw the 9.8 centimeter a line segment. You can see here first point, and after 9, 8 lines are there. 5th, 6th, 7, 8. Okay, so here this is the 9.8 centimeter a line segment. Like this way I can give the name A and B, any name you can give. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of 9.8. So same, more than half radius I have to take. So from A as a center I'll stretch my compass to B. So like this way, now A as a center, this I will draw one arc upside and downside. Now same way I will draw B as a center. I will take the radius, same radius, B as a center. I will intersect the previous arc. You can see. Now I got two intersecting point here. We can give the name P and Q here. Now this two intersecting point I have to join to get the perpendicular bisector of this line segment AB 9.8. So this is your perpendicular bisector of this line segment. Okay, so this is the solution. You can see. Now we will draw the next one. This is the question number first, C part. Okay, I have drawn. Now I will draw question number second. Now see, question number second is 14C exercise. Question number second, draw a line segment AB 10 centimeter long. Use ruler and compasses to divide AB into 4 equal parts. What is the length of each part? The question is that. So first I will draw a 10 centimeter line segment we have to draw. So I will draw the 10 centimeter line segment from here. See the point. From here. Where is 10? Here. So 10 centimeter a line segment I have drawn, and I have to give the name AB. A and B 10 centimeter. Okay, now the next is use ruler and compasses to divide AB into 4 equal parts. So first of all, first part of perpendicular bisector we will draw of 10 centimeter. So you have to take more than half radius of this, like this way. Take more than half radius